If I were you, I'd look this situation over. Wasn't just by accident. Our paths were meant to cross eventually. Ooh. You say you lost each time you tried again.